During the RADS Catalyst Fellowship Program, fellows receive guidance that equips them to tackle diverse research questions and contribute meaningfully to their field. Our program bridges the gap between the development and academic sectors by integrating academic research and practical experience.
My 6-month experience as being the part of the RADS Catalyst Fellowship has been quite insightful. Being a psychology graduate, I've always been inclined towards research ideas and topics that have been primarily related to psychology. But here I got the opportunity to explore different research domains, for example, family planning, climate change, nutrition, etc.
My 6-month experience here at RADS as a research fellow has definitely been unique. Other than our desk researches, we've been a part of really pragmatic organization processes, such as being a part of the urban impact meetings, being a part of the capacity building sessions.
A fellowship at RADS sets the stage for a dynamic career. We prepare our research fellows to tackle industrial challenges along with excellence in their future academic careers.
We built our capacity in different kinds of software such as R and Stata, and also in our academic writing. We also had a really good opportunity to give a really big debriefing about climate change and its impact in Pakistan to our whole team here at RADS.
Right now, both of the research fellows, we are working on our own separate research papers and exploring different modern and latest statistical techniques.
Our fellows always reach the levels of growth required to independently pursue and apply for master's or PhD programs. RADS is committed to preparing a force that will be responsible for contributing to evidence-based policymaking in the future.